Let's try this one again.
What can I get for you?
I'd like to get that that cheesy jalapeno quarter pounder with cheese, the double.
The double jalapeno bacon burger?
Yes.
Do you want that as a meal or just a sandwich?
I'd like it with the meal with a. Do you have Coke or Coke Zero?
Yes, the large Coke Zero.
Yes.
Anything else I can get for you?
That's it.
First window, please.
Thank you. Cross your fingers.
Hello.
Hello. No. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, guys, let me drive over to the park and we'll get this thing going. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're doing take 2 on the cheesy jalapeno quarter pounder with cheese bacon. I don't remember what it's called, but it's the quarter. Yeah, if you've seen my video a couple weeks ago where I tried this for the very first time and it wasn't the best review, mainly because the McDonald's only put a couple of the jalapeno. I think they're pickled jalapenos, by the way. And it just wasn't much of a, it just wasn't much to it. So guys, I tell you what, I've come back for more, and I went to a different restaurant this time, and I tell you what, they did me right. I don't know if you got the cheesy. Is that supposed to have bacon on it? If it is, they screwed up again. Different location, different screw up. There's definitely jalapenos. There's even a couple in the box. So yeah, they definitely doing better. They're doing a better job on this one so far. Unless it's supposed to have bacon, I don't remember. It's supposed to have bacon. Let me look at this. There's no bacon on here. I think it's supposed to have bacon. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna taste this anyway. I'm here for the jalapenos. I'm gonna straighten that up. This thing's loaded with jalapenos, so that'll be a fair taste. If it's I'm gonna get my box because I know I'm gonna drip. All right, let's go in here. There's definitely some jalapeno flavor there. No doubt on this one. I can smell it. I knew when she handed me the bag, I could smell the jalapeno. Good stuff, guys. I actually like this. I'm gonna check on that here in a minute. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to have bacon on it, which is a fail for McDonald's. That's 2 stores, 2 fails on the same sandwich. But I do like this. It tastes like a quarter pounder with cheese with jalapenos on it. That's what it tastes like. So guys, I just wanted to come back in here and do a retake on this one because I don't think the last review was fair. Another bite. Do want to encourage McDonald's to check their orders. Well, I'll be right back. Yes. Yes, it's supposed to have bacon. Fail, McDonald's. Strike 2. Strike 2. Okay. Okay. Again, I do like it. I've always liked a quarter pounder with cheese. Man. I don't know what to think here, guys. Guess I'll eat a French fry. But yes, I've always enjoyed the quarter pounder with cheese, double quarter pounder with cheese. This adds a new element to it. I don't know how long this is going to be around. Give it a try. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me, do you like it? It's a good burger. think I need to take a break from McDonald's. Strike two. I tried to eat this twice and it did not come right. At least it had the jalapenos. And I like it. I like it. I wish I'd have tasted it with the bacon on there too. So another incomplete. I guess that's my judgment. Incomplete. Yeah, just incomplete. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I don't know what to tell you. Give us a try. Leave down in the comments and tell me, have you tried this? Do you like it? Did you get what you're supposed to get? Another McDonald's fail. Incomplete McDonald's. Incomplete. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Yeah. Guys, we'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye-bye.